What's going on, YouTube? Alright, so what I have here is my '07 Cadillac Escalade, and I have a pretty good oil leak coming from down here. I don't really know where it's exactly coming from. I tried using STP stop leak. It didn't work, so I'm gonna try one more thing. So what I have here is this BlueDevil rear main seal. I'm not even sure if the leak's coming from my rear main seal, but this thing says here it'll seal up any leaks in any gasket. So what I'm supposed to do here is just pour this in and run it for 2 days, and hopefully it'll stop the leak. So let's see how this goes. Wow, I thought this would be more syrupy. Thought this would be a little bit more. I thought this would be thicker. All right, and that's it for that. So I'm gonna run it and we'll be back and see if this thing works. All right, so it's a day later. I ran the car, normal driving all day yesterday, and I put this shirt, this pink shirt here, to see how much it's leaking, if it's still leaking. But it rained last night, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to check that out. So let me pull out, see what it's looking like. All right, so this is day 3 here. This is the 3rd shirt I put with the oil leak. And as you can see here, there definitely is a spot there. That's really about it. It significantly got less. The leak really slowed down a lot. So just to show you again, I got these 3 shirts here. This one on the right, that was day 1 before I added the BlueDevil. You can see there, it was really leaking all over the place. This is day 2 here. A lot less leakage, but you still see some leaks right there coming out. Day 3, it's the one to the far left. Look at the difference in that leakage right there. Just came out of one place. Just came out of one place, and a lot less than day 2. So let me pan out here. Day 1, 2, and 3, starting from the right. While it didn't completely stop the leak, it helped out a lot. And for less than 20 bucks, I'll take that any day. Not bad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check you on the next one.